Good morning, class. Today we start a new topic, rational number. First, we shall define what is rational number. Now, a rational number is defined as a number that can be expressed in the form of p upon q, where p and q both belonging to integer and q does not equal to 0. For example, 3 upon 8, 4 upon 8, and 2 upon 5 means that the number which can be expressed in the form of p upon q. P upon q and p also belongs to integer. It can be either positive integer or negative integer. Means p may be equal to -1, -2, -3, dot up to -1000, and also p may be equal to P is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, comma 102. P can achieve any value, but but P must belong to integer. Now here we have written as 3 upon 8, 4 upon 8, and 2 upon 5 as an example of rational number. These are the rational number. Now, rational number in standard form. If the denominator of the rational number is positive integer and 1 is the only common factor between numerator and denominator, such rational number are said to be in standard form. Means that the denominator of rational number 3 upon 5, this is denominator and this 3 is known as numerator. Then denominator must be in positive form. The first condition is the denominator of rational number is positive integer. This is first condition, and second condition is 1 is the only common factor between numerator and denominator. Means that 5 upon 15, this rational number is not in standard form because first condition is that denominator in its positive form. Here you can see that denominator is in positive form, but the common factor between 5 upon 15 is not 1. 5 1 ja 15, 5 1 ja 5, and 5 3 ja 15. It is equal to 1 upon 3. Thus here 5 is the common factor between numerator and denominator. That's why we divide numerator and denominator both with 5, and thus it is reduced in standard form. Here the second question is reduce minus 45 upon 30 in standard form. Now minus 45 upon 30. First condition of standard form is the denominator should be in positive form. Here you can see that denominator in positive form, and the second condition is that the common factor between numerator and denominator must be equal to 1. Here common factor between numerator and denominator is not 1. First we shall simplify it. Now we shall divide with 5, 5 9 ja 45, and 5 6 ja. It is equal to minus 9 upon 6. We further divide 3 3 ja and 3 2 ja. It is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Minus 3 upon 2, this rational number is in standard form because the the denominator is in positive form and the common factor between denominator and numerator is equal to 1. Now the second question is reduce 36 upon minus 24 in standard form. Now 36 upon 24, we first it simplified it. Now it is divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3 and 3 12 ja 6. 3 in 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, and 3 8 ja 24. We further simplified and divide it with 4. 4 3 ja 12 and 4 2 ja 8. Now it is equal to 3 upon minus 2. The Here we can see that the denominator in it is not in positive form. Then we multiplied with minus 1. Here, minus 1, we have multiplied with minus 1, both numerator and denominator. It is converted into minus 3 upon 2. Now it is in standard form. The denominator is in positive form and the common factor between numerator and denominator is 1. This is your homework. Okay, thank you class.